Alright guys, welcome back. I got another flashlight review for you today. This is something new for me. I've never seen this brand. This is a Litesam PS11 compact, powerful, tactical LED flashlight. This flashlight is 1,380 lumens. It's 120 hours maximum runtime, with a beam distance of 285 meters. It is also USB rechargeable. This is the box that it comes in. We have some of our specs right there. And then we have an output on high of 1,380. Our medium output is going to be at 300. Our low is going to be at 30. And then the strobe is at the 1,380, and so is the SOS. So if you guys want to pause that, and you can go ahead and read that. Alright. Well, let's see what we got. There it is. It comes nicely packaged. Flashlight is nice weight to it. You have your mode switch. It's got nice ribbing on there, nice grip. There's your cap. Overall, nice design. Tail clip is strong. It feels good in the hand. It's not something you're going to drop. There is the USB charge port, which is always nice. You can just plug this right into your car. You don't have to worry about pulling the battery out. You can use a power pack to charge it. It can be on the go, camping, hiking, an SHTF situation. And then of course you have your tactical switch, which is always nice. I am a fan of tactical switch flashlights. These do come with a battery. I like to do my reviews with the battery that comes with the flashlight. Anyway, I can't get this to focus, but you got your spring in there. There we go. Nice hard spring. We do have a little bit of grease on the threads, but I would go ahead and put your own on there. Some Vaseline should just work just fine. We have their own patented packaged battery. This is a Litesam high performance 18650. We're running at 2600 milliamp, which should do just fine. Let's go ahead and look at the accessories that came with this light, and then we'll come back and we'll go through the modes. We have a little plastic guy here asking us to take off the battery cover plastic before using. Alright. Flashlight does come with a holster. It's a very nice holster. Man, that is some sturdy stuff, man. It's not one of those cheap, flimsy. This will last for a while. You got your standard USB charge cable. And we got our reading material. If you guys want to go ahead and pause that, have a little read. Other side for you. Alright. Let's go ahead and turn this thing on and see what we got. So your back switch is your on. And then we have tail stand, mode switch on the front. That's low, medium, high, and that's turbo. So we're at low, medium, high. And that is bright, guys. That is really, really, really bright. And it doesn't seem to be getting too hot, which is always nice. Some of them flashlights get hot way too fast. And I believe if you hold it down, you got your strobe, and that's by holding down on the button. Well, that's it for the Litesam, guys. I think it's a nice overall nice light. Nice and bright. That 1380 lumen is going to light that night up real bright for you. And then with the added USB charging port built into the flashlight, you don't have to worry about where you can charge it. It's always a nice feature. Anyway, guys, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Help me out. And leave any comments in below. And I'll see you guys next time.